I can't believe that I'm doing an official intro in this new home.
Yay, baby, yay!
I want to go ahead and start doing some actual decorating today. I personally love to use command strips.
Yeah.
Does that look like the beautiful wife you married?
Babe, if you close your eyes.
Yeah, this is so cute. A few people are saying like, don't exploit your children for views, and like, why are you showing so much of your kids? That they deserve their privacy. Listen. You guys, what an upgrade. Your girl finally has ice. First of all, sorry if you guys can hear my raspy voice. It comes and goes. I don't know why. Sometimes I cough and it becomes raspy and then it's fine again and then it's raspy. But what can I say? As you can see, there's a bunch of new things that have been going on lately that have been causing me slight stress, I want to say. And that slight stress is probably what resulted in me having a bit of a sore throat today. But hey you guys, what's up? It's Haley. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to our new house. I know you guys have already seen it a couple of times, but I'm so excited to slowly be getting into my routines again. Having my coffee section set up and having my coffees every morning has already kind of made this place feel like home. And wow, the more time I spend here, the more and more I fall in love with this space. I mean, like, look how much light we have here. How insane. Basically, for today's video, we are still doing a bunch of cleaning and organizing, but with a twist. I want to go ahead and start doing some actual decorating today. As you guys can tell, I already kind of started putting my furniture in different places of the house. But as you know, I have a lot of like artwork and mirrors and stuff that I want to hang in this space. There's a lot of like super blank walls that I want to fill up. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me as I kind of try to figure out where I want everything in this space. Aliyah, Ella, Naomi, everybody's home today, so you're gonna get to see the whole fam, the whole shebang. But I can't believe that I'm doing an official intro in this new home. But let me show you guys what I see right now. Obviously, we have our huge mirror that in the other house, I actually kept this in the master bedroom, but because of the super tall ceilings, I thought that this mirror would just look perfect here, and it does. But our goal is to add a few more gold tones throughout the house to kind of bring it all together, because right now we have a lot of the wooden tones and I really want to find a way to marry it with the gold and the white and kind of bring it all together. We've got our whole shelving unit that obviously needs some nice organization, and then all of the artwork that I had in the other house. I don't know where I want everything. I can't stop by the store with Aliyah. They should be back any minute, but you guys stick around and help me figure out where to decorate and where to put everything. Like, I want this to be a nice backdrop for me to take photos. I really want to fill up something over here. I don't want it to be too messy, but I need your opinions because you guys always tell me what you think and y'all have the best taste. So I'm really excited to see what you say. Also, you guys, I really needed to mention, I'm getting comments all the time about you guys saying, Haley, you gotta update your intro. Right now it just says, hey family, you gotta include Naomi in there. So I 100% agree with you guys, and I already reached out to my animator telling her that I want to do another intro. But you guys, I really need your help, okay? Everybody assumed that we were gonna go ahead and choose a name that would like match Hey Family, so either her name of her letter would start with like an H or an A or an E. But obviously, as you know, the name that we decided to go with was Naomi. It's very hard to integrate an N into the Hey Family, but Ellen and I really thought about it. At the end of the day, as much as we do love sharing on our channel with you guys and we love sharing aspects of our life is not our work. I wasn't gonna choose my child's name just so that it would be something that would be fitting for my channel. Does that make sense? And this like goes back to a whole other conversation I wanted to have with you guys. Obviously, now that there's like not so much fashion content as of now, we're doing a lot more family oriented stuff. As much as we're not a family channel, I'm not looking to become a family channel. It's still very much a channel about me, and right now me, Haley, is sharing parts of her life that are probably the most prominent. So right now the biggest part of my life is the fact that I just had a baby. I don't leave my house much, and even though we've went through this big move, my biggest priority now is my child and my family. But with all that being said, you are kind of seeing my kids a little bit more on my videos. Me and Egan already discussed this a ton, and we already kind of figured out what our boundaries are with what we're willing to show of our kids and what we're not. And one of the comments I've been seeing, not even a lot, it's really like one or two people. A few people are saying like, don't exploit your children for views, and like, why are you showing so much of your kids? That they deserve their privacy. Listen, everybody has their own opinion about what they're comfortable with sharing and what they're not. My husband and I made a decision for our family in terms of what we are comfortable to share with. We know Aliyah, she absolutely loves filming. She loves vlogging. She loves to be filmed. You guys may not see this, but we actually try not to show her TV. But the few times that we do show her a screen or stuff, it's usually our videos. And she loves watching our videos. Not even our videos. This girl loves watching herself herself. Every time it's a part where like Eran and I are talking, she's not interested. She just says, Aliyah, Aliyah. She just wants to see herself all the time. So we clearly see that she's enjoying this and she's okay with this. And again, there's a lot of stuff that we don't show. You guys are only seeing what, 14 to 18 minutes of our day. So clearly there's a lot of things that we are not sharing. We love that you guys are sticking around. We love that you love seeing my relationship with Eran and our relationship with our kids. And we do want to keep sharing that. But I do want to emphasize this is still Haley's Corner. This is not going to become like the Hey Family channel because we're not a family channel. So that is that. That is me just kind of unleashing some thoughts that I've been having lately. And like I said, the people who like leave all these comments that are not the nicest, it's maybe 1 or 2 people. The rest of you, you're all amazing and you're all wonderful. I don't want to drown out the good from the few people that don't leave the best comments. If you're someone who's not comfortable to be watching, then just don't watch. There's so many different channels on YouTube that you could be watching yourself. And okay, with saying all of that, excited to get into today's video. Let's go on ahead and get started.
What do you want?
Banana.
Banana?
Yeah.
You want banana?
Okay.
You look like a banana.
Banana? Yeah.
Oh my god.
Banana. Banana.
Open it. Appetita?
Yeah.
Okay. Hard. Oh.
Banana.
Ah, smell. Apa gini?
No?
No.
Yeah. Okay.
This apa? This yours?
Yeah.
Okay. What is that he said?
No, no.
He said. Alain, we have to sit in the chair. Okay. As بنشرب شام بخشوخان? In the table? بنشرب بخشوخان بياك? This is parenting 101. You gotta stand your ground, because if we're gonna let her eat, running around with bananas, gonna get all over the walls, all over the couch. That's gonna be our problem. So no table, no banana. Okay.
Aliyah, like your banana?
Yummy?
Yeah.
Alright, after a good 15-20 minute
Baby.
tantrum, finally got her to sit down. She's sitting with her baby Lola. So yeah, in those type of situations, it would be very easy to just give her the banana if she says no and like cries a bit and then have her run around, but then it makes our lives a lot harder. It's very difficult in the moment to do, but in the long term it's gonna pay off. So we're trying to teach her, and as well as our Naomi and our future kids, God willing, certain things that we stand by. And in this case, we try to let her know, listen, if you want to have a banana, you want to have food in general, you have to eat it on the table, you have to eat in your chair, because if we just let her run around with it, it's gonna make our lives a whole lot harder.
She also gets over it so fast.
No, she does.
Really like,
She again, they test us. They test us. That's the whole point. Their kids are smart, very smart. You smart? You smart? Yeah, we know you smart. I love you. I love you.
Aliyah, color?
Abba, Aliyah.
Excuse me? Are you forgetting somebody?
Naomi.
You're funny.
Ima.
Where am I?
Yeah.
Right there.
Does that look like the beautiful wife you married?
Babe, if you close your eyes, it is. Be careful.
Say waffles, please.
Zeg gaan, oké? Zeg.
Aliyah, do foo foo foo. Say waffle.
Yummy.
Ima also? Okay. Can I have, please?
Get your own, brother.
Alright, I'm watching Naomi on her little monitor, but let's get to decorating, you guys. The first thing I did is I headed onto my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, it's right over here. So here are my Instagram stories. I basically asked you guys to help me out with where to put different artwork. So I'm gonna start with the one that had like the most unanimous votes. 84% of you guys said that that wall over there needs some artwork. And I think the perfect piece is to put our big hay canvas, which is this big one right over here. And if you guys don't already know, I personally, as much as I can, use hammers and drills and all that kind of stuff, especially in a rental house. I try my best not to make holes or just do it as least amount as possible. So for a piece of frame like this, I personally love to use command strips. I put a bunch of different command strips. They're pretty much very, very tough, like strong Velcro. I just use it with a level and stick it right onto the wall. When you take it out, there is no damage. So from the previous house, I have the command strips that are stuck to here, and I just ordered myself a bunch more. I'm gonna go ahead, stick it on these pieces, and then we're gonna get it right up on the wall. So you just Velcro them on just like this. Oh yeah, don't mind my tragic nails, you guys. Haven't gotten them done since literally the day that I gave birth. All right, more left, a little more left, and a little bit down. I think that's good. Perfect, babe. We just got first piece of artwork. It's in. All right, yes, I think that is perfect. And it's level, it's even, it's like perfect distance between the lamp and the mirror. We're good with that. Next, I kind of wanted to go ahead and put some artwork behind me. I know that the shelf looks super messy, but it's gonna look very minimal once I'm done with it. So behind me, I wanna go and put the frames that, if you remember, they were the main frames in my living room in the previous house. So I think 1, 2, up to 3, maybe 4. Very 50-50, but everybody says that I do need something behind me here. All right, guys, so here's the plan. Here is my artwork, these 4 frames right here that I had in my living room. It was much easier to put them up last time because I had like the templates. I don't anymore, so what I did instead is I pretty much just grabbed pieces of paper and I just tried to kind of make them close to the shape of the actual frames. Basically, I'm gonna stick these on the wall behind me, and then I'm gonna look in the mirror and see what that's looking like in the positions I would usually take photos. Excuse me, where do you think you're going? He's literally using my mirror for the gym right now. Honestly, you guys, that took a lot longer than I expected and I'm sweating. But look how nice it looks over here. I think it looks so good. It fills up the space without being too much. All right, and the main last thing I need to figure out in this space is the rug situation. Let me know what you guys think, okay? Because in the other house, I had that cream rug. I ended up selling it because I felt like it just didn't match the floors here so much. So for now, I just had like a very small rug that I had upstairs, but I'm just kind of putting it for now for the girls to have somewhere to be on the floor that's not super cold. But what are you guys thinking for this space? I'm actually kind of digging the way the white fuzzy rug looks. I just want to get like a bigger one. Do you guys think that I should get a rug like this fuzzy one, or should I get one that has more texture? Should I get one that's closer to like these tones, more beiges, or should I just keep it white and neutral? I just don't know if it's gonna look weird with like the white couch and the white rug. And I do want it to like extend a little bit out like this. Just let me know what you think down below, please.
Okay, today on Sunday Funday, we are using our automatic robot vacuum because it's very well needed. Naomi is currently sleeping, as we see her on the monitor. Aaliyah's checking out the garbage. And Haley just added the shower head, even though it's clear, defeats the purpose of...
That's not a shower head, baby.
Oh, sorry. Shower curtain, sorry.
Basically, guys,
Wikipedia.
my sister is coming today, yay, and my brother-in-law and her are going to be staying here with us for a couple of days. I don't know, they have a habit, Irit, Roy, I love you, but why do you guys always come visit us when we're moving? But I'm going to be changing out the shower head, out with the old garbage, and let's assemble the new. People assume all you do is you screw in the shower head and you're done. But there's this thing right here. It's called Teflon tape. And basically what you do is you wrap it around all of these rings and it prevents it from leaking.
Look at you, Bob the Builder.
I know, my dad taught me well. I also know how to change out light fixtures.
But you don't know how to put your clothes away.
Why do you always gotta kill my vibe?
I'm not kidding, Bob. I'm saying the truth.
Let's see if our shower head now works. Woo! We have water!
Aaliyah, what are you doing? What is that?
Ew.
Ew, dilly.
Aaliyah's scared of the vacuum. Aaliyah, say hi, Robo. Hi, come. I noticed that whenever we give like names to things that she's scared of, it usually calms her nerves a little bit more. But this thing, our UV vacuum, is our absolute favorite thing ever. Especially now that we have so much floor space, it's nice to kind of have it like go around and clean up throughout our day. And she's wearing the same thing as Aaliyah, I just realized. Oh my gosh. Hello! She had a long nap.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Baby, now you want to give her a hug?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. You want to hold her? Okay, wait. Good girl.
Wow.
Look, she's smiling at you, Aaliyah.
Achi.
Look, she's smiling.
Bubble. Yeah, baby,
Yay. Good job, Aaliyah. Actually, we're twinning. This is so unintentional.
Hi.
Hey, what are you doing?
What?
Are you hiding your food?
Well, in all honesty, I made myself breakfast already, and she was literally like, wanted it all, and I'm like, okay, fine, so I made her her own egg, but then I already know she sees the cottage cheese and the feta. She'll want that also, and she's going to sleep soon, so I don't want her to eat too much. So, we got our own tissue blocker.
A few moments later.
So both the girls just woke up from their naps, and being that it's Sunday Fun Day, we need to go ahead and clear some packages that we got. We have started shipping a lot of things to this new address, and there's an exciting thing that came for both Aaliyah and for Naomi, and we're gonna go unbox it together. Oh my gosh, look, she's smiling at her. Hi!
Yes.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Do you remember when Aaliyah had this?
The box?
Do you remember this? Listen, listen, listen. But basically love everyone ahead. Love everyone ahead and sent us the play gym for Naomi, and at the same time they also sent over one of their play kits for Aaliyah. This one is the companion one for months 22, 23, and 24. Aaliyah, you want to open? Yeah, let's play? Yeah. Oh my gosh, look. Wow, look Aaliyah.
Oh my gosh. Oh baby, she thinks it's a blanket.
She's claiming it for herself.
Oh my god.
Claim this as her own.
Aaliyah, how you doing?
Oh, Evan, do you remember these? Like the black and white cards?
Yeah, that we never used.
I used to use them.
I never use those things.
Aaliyah, let's open your box.
No.
This one. Come.
Yeah, yes, yes. Wow, Aaliyah, look. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah, watch.
Okay, Aaliyah, let's play. Wow, I don't want to lose any of these though.
So don't. Desire? Yeah.
Oh my god, this is so cute. Aaliyah, you sleeping now?
Yay!
Yay, Naomi, good job, Naomi.
Okay, we finally built this. What's this thing, a mama room? Hopefully Nami would like this one.
All right, you guys, the swing is a success. I mainly wanted something smaller than this one, and I feel like because this one only swings back and forth, she didn't really like the motion so much, but the Mamaru also vibrates, and it has a bunch of different like settings over here for like different motions that it can do, and I guess she likes it. It imitates the motion of like a car, so it even has some vibrations, and it even has some white noise also. Oh my god, my hair is crazy right now, but it's not that I always put her in machines like this, but sometimes, especially if it's just me and Aaliyah for a little bit, I need my hands free, so I would put her there to take a little nap, because listen, mom's also gotta eat, gotta use the bathroom, gotta take a shower, so I'm glad we found her something she likes. All right, you guys, it's later on at night. You can tell my voice is pretty much gone at this point, but I'm just hanging out with Naomi. Nagan is just putting Aaliyah to sleep. I think I'm gonna close out this vlog here. Tomorrow's gonna be a little bit of a mama pamper day. I'm getting my hair done because my roots are so dark, as you can see, and it'll be the first time that I'm leaving Naomi with Eran for more than like 3 hours. I'm also breastfeeding every 3 hours, so I'll have to figure something out when it comes to that. But anyway, before my voice completely disappears, I love you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you are watching up to now, you're the real MVPs. We love the ones that stay all the way until the end. What should I get you guys to comment today? Naomi is just sucking on the cutest little pink pacifiers, so if you are watching up to now, comment down below pink pacifier. Then I know that you guys are the real ones. Oh, someone's calling me. Okay guys, I gotta go get that. Love you all so much. Can't wait to see you in my next one.